Who's ready for some high-flying freestyle motor? You guys ready? How is your focus when we're high-flying freestyle? 3.5 stories up. Now we're not going to do that race until we take off this clip right here. Once it ends the list, he's going to come out. You're going to see the point. He's turning this roll onto the front. He's going to keep it more throttle thrill. And it's not far. You see freestyle all over the world, probably because he's right here. He's the KS7 shows. Let's see what people do more He's in the house. You see the bring that story up. He's on the ground now. But he's out here ready to throw it out for you. Let's see what he's saying now. The house will. He's here. He's known as the secret weapon. Who's ready to go a little bit bigger? You guys want to go bigger? He's checking out down below, checking the flags to see what he's got coming his way. Here we go. I think they're waiting for you guys making more noise. Here comes I think we can get 100% of you together as possible. Get your voices ready. Fueled by your applause. Here we go. Let's make some noise for them.
Goggles off there. Oh no! Sexton has gone down! Maybe there's something in his eye. He's going back to the pit. That's Cooper Webb.
Well, you figured out I came to the Super Motocross race, Charlotte, North Carolina. I've not been to this kind of thing in like 30 years. It's pretty dang cool. Thanks for joining.
Ladies and gentlemen, severe weather possible. Please be weather aware.
Yeah. So the first two races are over. The rain came at a good time, I guess. It's interesting. I haven't been here, as I said, in like 30 years. Don't know any of the riders, but it's good racing. It's enjoyable. It's cooling off, thankfully. So we'll take shelter for a bit, see what happens, and pick up from there. Well, they canceled the race halfway through the planned stuff. Really kind of sucks. My first experience, and the racing was great, but at the cost, if I'm being honest, at the cost. And I was questioning if it was worth the cost to begin with. I'm definitely bummed out because it's $100. It was good racing. Let's go home.